Welcome to the spoken tutorial on getting started with tuples. In this tutorial, we will understand what tuples are, compare tuples with lists, know why they are needed, and learn to use them. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 16.04 operating system, Python 3.4.3 and IPython 5.1.0. To practice this tutorial, you should know how to run basic Python commands on the IPython console and use lists. If not, see the relevant Python tutorials on this website. First, we will learn about tuples. Tuple is a collection of elements similar to a list. Tuple uses parentheses, whereas list uses square brackets. Elements of a tuple cannot be changed once it is assigned. But in a list, elements can be changed. Here are few examples for declaring tuples. Inside brackets 1, 2.5 is a tuple with 2 elements. The same can be declared as 1, 2.5. Inside brackets 1, is a tuple with 1 element. The same can be declared as 1, Inside brackets, again inside brackets 1, and outside brackets a comma is a tuple with 1 tuple as element. The same can be declared as inside brackets 1, and outside brackets a comma. Let us start IPython. Open the terminal. Type IPython3 and press enter. From here onwards, remember to press the enter key after typing every command on the terminal. Let us learn to create a tuple. Type t is equal to inside brackets 1, 2.5, inside double quotes hello, -4, inside double quotes world, 1.24, 5. Type t. It is similar to list except that parentheses are used instead of square brackets. At least one comma is mandatory for a tuple. The brackets are optional but should be added for clarity. The items in the tuple can be accessed by their index positions. Type t inside square brackets 3. Type t inside square brackets 1, 5, 2. It prints the corresponding slice. Now we try to change an element in the tuple. Type t inside square brackets 2 is equal to inside double quotes hello. We can see that it raises an error saying tuple object does not support item assignment. It shows elements of a tuple cannot be changed after it is created. This is called immutability. We can iterate over tuples like lists. Type for x in t print inside brackets x. It prints each elements of the tuple t. Pause the video. Try this exercise and then resume the video. Let us look at a simple program of swapping values. Given a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 7, swap the values of a and b. Switch to the terminal for the solution. Type a is equal to 5, b is equal to 7. Then type a, type b. We now create a variable, say temp, and swap the values using this variable. Type temp is equal to a is equal to b is equal to temp. Then type a, type b. We can see that the values are successfully swapped now. But this is the traditional approach. Now let us do it in the Python way. Type A is equal to 5. B is equal to 7. A comma B is equal to B comma A. Now we will check whether the values are swapped. Type A, type B. We can see that the values are swapped easily. We can also do this for different data types. Type A is equal to 2.5. B is equal to, inside double quotes, hello. A comma B is equal to B comma A. Now to check the values, type A, type B. This is possible because of the immutability of tuples. This is called tuple packing and unpacking. When you type A comma B is equal to B comma A, first the values of B and A are packed into a tuple on the right side. Then it is unpacked into the variables A and B. Let us first see about tuple packing. Type 5 comma. We can see a tuple with one element. Type 5 comma inside double quotes hello comma 2.5. Now it is a tuple with 3 elements. When we type 2 or more elements separated by commas, those elements are packed into a tuple. Immutability of tuples ensures that the values are not changed during the packing and unpacking. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learnt about tuples, similarities of tuples with lists, immutability of tuples, and concept of packing and unpacking of tuples. Here are some self-assessment questions for you to solve. First, define a tuple containing 2 values as given below. The first value is integer 4. The second value is float 2.5. Second, if we type A is equal to 5, then what is the data type of A? Third, if we type A is equal to inside brackets 2, 3, A inside square brackets 0, A inside square brackets 1 is equal to inside brackets 3, 4. What is the output? And the answers? First, a tuple is defined by enclosing parentheses around a sequence of items separated by commas. Hence, we write our tuple as inside brackets 4, 2.5. Second, since the given data is 5 followed by a comma, it is a tuple. Third, the given operation will give a type error because tuples are immutable. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Please post your general queries on Python in this forum. FOSSEE team coordinates the TBC project. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT MHRD Government of India. For more details, visit this website. This is Priya from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for watching.